Hey guys, it's a beautiful day, the sun is shining, and I'm in a great mood because I got my new closet for my van, and it looks like it's gonna be spectacular. But Perry, what do you mean? Let's see it. Show us your closet. Here it is, my friends. Here's my new closet. I know you think I'm a crazy lunatic, but let's have a look. Welcome to SWELLER'S and DWELLER'S. Okay, so up until now, I store my clothes in a rubber bin under my bed. This bin will contain all my pants, shirts, socks, underwear, some jackets, etc. And anything that won't fit in here, I have a second reserve bin in the back of the van where I keep all my extra stash. But recently I'm finding I'm acquiring more and more stuff, mostly electronics, and I'm running a little short on room. Well, that bin in the front under the bed is really not a great use of that space because I don't really find myself grabbing clothes throughout the day. It seems that space would be better used for things that I use throughout the day, like my electronics and some other things. So that's why I got my new closet, which will allow me to free up that space for other things. But Perry, the new closet, what is it? Where's it gonna be? How is it better? Let's find out, my friends. Okay, guys, let's open the closet. Ha! Whoops! This isn't my new closet. These are my new drawers that will go into the space freed up by the new closet. We'll see more of this later. Okay, my friends, it's time. Let's open the closet. Crap. Oh yeah. You seeing this? Beauty! All right. Look at that. It's like magic. What we have here is some hanging storage from IKEA. It's ultra light compared to wood cabinets, which I love because I'm ultra fuel conscious right now. And this top drawer, I've loaded it up with some socks and t-shirts, and you can see it's just beautiful. The only thing I can imagine is maybe I travel some pretty rough roads, so maybe from bouncing around this drawer may slide open or something. I don't know. It actually seems a lot more solid, and it seems a lot more solid than I figured. But if not, I might just have to sew some Velcro on here and make like a little Velcro like closure or something just to keep it secure. But right now, I don't think so. I think this is going to work. The rubber bin I had before, everything is all mixed up in like one big jumble. And I mean, I'm not fussy. It's okay. But you know what? This will be a little more organized. And I've got socks and t-shirts. I got another 2 bins down here for different things. And I think it's going to be a really nice improvement. Okay, as you can see, I've got the hanging storage where I want it. I thought I'd have to sew some sort of attachment on the back here that I could then secure it to the van wall with. But then I saw my hooks, which I normally hang jackets on and things. And I saw a piece of wood, and I thought, well, hey, if I hang it through this, I don't know if it's going to be at the right angle, but sure enough, when I put it in like that, it's actually not too bad. I might get away with that. And it's great. Drawers open just nicely. Nice and light. And it seems like, I mean, it's a little bit floppy, but I mean, that's no big deal. No big deal. It holds my clothes. That's the main thing. If it does get a little bit too wobbly, I'm going to put I'll put an attachment down at the bottom somehow. That's no problem. I'll figure that out. This piece of wood, it's a little bit too, it's not strong enough. I need a thicker piece of wood or a bit of pipe. And that got me thinking. I have something in the backyard. My friends came over the other night and sat in my chair and broke it. And look, I was going to throw it away, but look, it's got these big, beautiful metal rods that should be just about the right size for my new closet. Destruction. Awesome. Well, perhaps I'm not so upset with my friend breaking my lawn chair. Awesome. Now that is recycling. Let's go see how it fits. Oh, look at that. Lickety split. I think that's going to work just fine, and you're going to see more of it in upcoming episodes. And remember that drawer I showed you earlier? It's also from IKEA and only costs $10. And look at how organized it keeps everything and how much stuff it holds. Tremendous. Here's the space they'll go into that's freed up now. And they stay in place because of this lip that's created because I haven't laid the floor across the entire part of the van. This was a bit of an afterthought because my closet was my main concern. So right now it's a bit unfinished and needs some building out. And you can see there's still plenty of space up above, so I might add some plywood shelves and then another 1 or 2 layers of these drawers, depending on what all I want to store in there. But so far, I think it's looking great. If you don't think I'm just some sort of crazy lunatic, I'd appreciate it if you give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's the only way you can support me and let me know that you like what I'm doing and you want me to continue. And it also suggests to YouTube that it should introduce like-minded people to the channel. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.